Hi everyone, it's Mr. Sam, and today I have another book for us with permission of Scholastic. It's called The Brave Little Bird, and behind me here I've got a little friend that I'm going to be reading to. Okay, he's a little chick back here. So we'll go ahead and see if he likes this book because we're going to be reading about another little bird just like him. Okay, well, without further ado, permission of Scholastic, this is The Brave Little Bird. Pepito was afraid of heights, so when it was time to leave the nest, he decided he would go his own way. But how? "You should run like me," said the fox. So Pepito ran until he came to a fence. "When I come to a fence, I hop," said the frog. So Pepito hopped. It looked like smooth sailing until he came to a river. "Can you swim?" asked the fish. "I can try." So Pepito swam. He was making real progress. But then he came to a busy road. "Why don't you fly over?" asked the gopher. "I'm afraid of heights," said Pepito. "Then why not go under?" So Pepito burrowed under. Finally, he saw his brothers and sisters' new tree. He was so happy that he climbed right up. "Pepito!" they cheered. "How did you get here?" "I ran, I hopped, I swam, I burrowed, and I climbed." His brothers and sisters were very impressed. "But Pepito," they said, "if you are brave enough to do all those things, then you must be brave enough to fly." And they all flew off. And Pepito led the way. So that was The Brave Little Bird, read to you with permission of Scholastic. So I hope you enjoyed that. I'm pretty sure my little chick friend back here did too. So don't hesitate to follow me. I'm on YouTube, Mixer, Twitch, and Facebook. A lot of different places I'm streaming from. All of my videos are on YouTube. I do have a playlist there. So don't hesitate to swing on over there and give that a like. And hopefully you enjoyed this, and I will be bringing more videos as I've got time to do them, okay? Again, I'm Mr. Sam, and I hope you enjoyed that.